Small cities, home to big dream jobs. Bangalore, whenever India announced a new project in a two cities, the real estate developers, chief HR officer Madhuri Mehta linked account gets found with message from professionals looking for jobs back to their hometown. These people are a potential talent pool, said Mehta. Citizens instant of professionals who wants to move back home from say Delhi to Mumbai, Delhi to Mohali. She said MR is hiring actively in cities like Indore, Jaipur, Mohali, Lucknow, where they have projects running. Job opportunities are growing across sectors in 2 and 3 cities, and professionally are eager to join. Recruitment and firms said those hiring includes Bajaj Finance, IBM, Accenture, Infosys, Genpact, the data showed. Thank you.